So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates and do the updates that your computer may have. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and then type in date and time settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to make sure the next is set time automatically, you have it turned on. But if it was already turned on, then you want to turn it off and then turn it back on again. And now you want to click on sync now. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and then type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in ws reset.exe and click on enter. This will now clear the cache for the Microsoft Store. Now once you've done that, now we're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. We can run it in the background as you complete the next step in the video. So you just want to minimize this. And now you want to head over to search again and then type in services. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to click on any service and then click on X on our keyboard. We're going to scroll down till we see all the Xbox services. You want to make sure that all of them are running. Let me just maximize this. So you want to click on the first Xbox service, change the startup type to automatic, and then click on start. And now you want to repeat that for the other 3 Xbox services. You want to make sure that all of them are running and that it's set to automatic. But if it was already running and set to automatic when you got to this stage, then you want to click on it and then click on restart the service. Now once you've done that, and then once the scan's been completed, you want to restart your computer and then that should fix the problem.